Good morning, Wildcats. Welcome to Thursday's announcements. Please save this slide, show this to your parents. These are the dates for device turn-in, locker clean-out, etc. When you come on these dates based on alphabetical by your last name, please be sure that you bring us a clean device, clean your musical instruments, the musical cases, your device case, cord, etc. Bring back any books that you have in good order. We'd ask that you wear masks. If you have them, we're going to have you socially distance. We just want to make sure that everyone is safe. You, us, everyone. And remember, students, if you're coming to summer school, if you're taking a summer school class, you can keep your device on these dates, but you do still come to school to turn in your other stuff and collect your locker items. Certainly what's going on, maybe at school, maybe at home, with this current situation might feel kind of overwhelming and make you feel a little bit overwhelmed, hopeless, helpless, etc. Hey, you're going to make it. You're going to be okay. We have all gone through feelings like that, and we're in this together. We can support each other. You are not alone, and there are some things that you can do. Here's just a quick quote from Joan Baez, and hey, Joan Baez, just because this is a black and white picture, and she currently has gray hair, she is not ancient. She's not even old. She's hip. She's current. She's still alive. It's Joan Baez, for goodness sakes. Anyway, she said this about despair, hopelessness, etc. Action is the antidote to despair. So an antidote is just a cure, right? We hear about antidotes now with COVID going around, but antidote is simply a cure or a remedy. And Joan Baez is saying that the best cure for feeling hopeless is action, movement, doing something, making a change, taking steps, etc. So if you're depressed or feeling powerless, feeling hopeless about what's going on in life, reach out to your faith leader, your parents, your teachers. Again, you are not alone. We are in this together. And hey, you have survived 100% of your worst days. You can survive 100% of the rest of them. You can add value by helping your neighbor, your friend, and yourselves by reaching out to us if there's something that we can do for you. So Wildcats, we care about you. We want what's best for you. So keep adding value. Let us know if we can help with anything. We love you, Wildcats. Take care.